Welcome to Everyday English Podcast. Hello, and welcome back to the Everyday English Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hey, everyone. So happy you are here with us today.
This is the podcast where we help you learn real, natural English for your everyday life. We speak slowly and clearly, so don't worry if you are a beginner.
That's right. Today we have a very interesting topic. We're going to talk about people, specifically how to talk about introverts and extroverts.
Oh, I love this topic. Mark, are you an introvert or an extrovert?
Good question. I think I am a little bit of both, but maybe more of an extrovert. I like being with people. It gives me energy. What about you, Anna?
Me? I am a classic introvert. I love my quiet time. After a busy week, I just want to stay home with a good book.
See? We are different, and that is perfect for today's lesson. We will learn the words to describe ourselves and our friends. Let's get started.
Okay, let's start with the basics. The first word, extrovert. Extrovert.
An extrovert is a person who is outgoing. They feel happy when they are with other people. They like parties, group activities, and meeting new friends. They get their energy from the outside world.
Yes, and the opposite is an introvert. Introvert.
Right. An introvert is more quiet and reserved. They need time alone to relax. Too many people for too long can make an introvert feel tired.
Exactly. Let's practice the pronunciation together, listeners. Repeat after us. Extrovert.
Extrovert.
Introvert.
Introvert.
Great job. Now we also have the adjectives. You can say someone is outgoing. That is another word for extroverted.
Yes. For example, my friend Maria is very outgoing. She loves to talk to strangers.
And for introverts, we can say someone is shy. But careful, not all introverts are shy. Sometimes they just prefer quiet.
It's about energy, not always fear. Okay, let's imagine a situation. A very common situation. A party.
Oh no. The classic introvert versus extrovert moment.
Let's do a small role play. Anna, you were the introvert. I am the extrovert. It is Saturday night. We're at the party. It is very loud. There are many people.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go.
Wow, Anna, this party is amazing. Look at all these people. I want to talk to everyone. I feel so energized.
It is nice, but wow, it is very loud. My head is starting to hurt a little.
Oh, look, my friend Dave is there. Let's go say hi, and then we can meet his cousins.
Actually, Mark, I think I need some air. I'm going to step outside for a few minutes.
Oh, of course, of course. Too many people?
Yeah, just need a quiet minute. You stay and have fun.
Okay, take your time.
See? That is a typical situation. As an introvert, I need a break. I need to recharge my batteries.
Oh, recharge my batteries. That is a great phrase. It means to rest so you have energy again. Introverts recharge their batteries by being alone.
And extroverts?
Extroverts recharge their batteries by being with people. After that party, I would feel great. I feel tired if I am alone all weekend.
This is very helpful for small talk. Imagine you meet a new friend. You can ask them about their personality. Let's learn some useful sentences.
You can ask simply, are you more of an introvert or an extrovert?
That's a direct question. Or you can ask, do you prefer spending time alone or with a group?
Nice. That is softer. Let's practice the answers. Listeners, repeat after us.
I am a total introvert. I need my quiet time.
I am pretty outgoing. I love being around people.
I think I am an ambivert. Oh, new word. An ambivert is someone in the middle. Sometimes they like people, sometimes they like to be alone.
Yes, that is me. I am an ambivert. Actually, maybe I am an ambivert too. I like parties, but I also like quiet Sundays.
Exactly. So you can also say, It depends on my mood.
Perfect. Let's repeat that one. It depends on my mood.
Okay, Mark, let's help our listeners avoid some common mistakes. What is mistake number 1?
Mistake number 1 is saying, I am an introvert, wrongly. Some learners forget the article. Remember, I am an introvert. He is an extrovert.
Good point. You need the "an" because introvert starts with a vowel sound.
Mistake number 2 is using the adjective form wrong. They might say, I am very introvert, but that is not correct.
Right. Introvert is a noun. The adjective is introverted. So you say, I am very introverted, or she is very extroverted.
Let's say them together. Introverted, extroverted.
Great. And our tip for today? My tip is don't label people too quickly. Someone might be quiet on Monday because they are tired, not because they are shy. Give people time.
That's a wonderful tip. My tip is learn these words to understand your English-speaking friends better. If your friend says, sorry, I can't go to the party, I need to recharge, you will understand. They are not sad, they are just introverted.
Exactly. It helps with empathy.
Okay, it's time for our recap. Let's remember the most important words from today. Listen and repeat.
Introvert.
Extrovert,
Outgoing.
shy.
To recharge my batteries.
And the useful question, do you prefer being alone or with people?
Wonderful. So let's do a small test. Imagine your friend says, I love big parties. The more people, the better. Mark, what is your friend?
That is an extrovert, definitely outgoing.
Yes. Now imagine your friend says, I feel tired after work. I just want to go home and read a book quietly. What is that friend?
That sounds like an introvert. Or maybe just a tired person.
Yes, maybe. But usually, that's an introvert.
Listeners, we have a little challenge for you. We want you to think about yourself.
Yes, we want you to write a comment on this episode. Tell us, are you an introvert, an extrovert, or an ambivert?
You can write, Hello, Anna and Mark. I am an introvert. I like reading books. Or, I am an extrovert. I like playing sports with my friends.
We read all the comments. We love to hear from you. It makes us happy to know you are practicing.
It really does.
Well, Mark, this was a fun conversation. I learned a lot about you.
And I learned a lot about you, Anna. Next time we have a party, I will remember to let you step outside for some air.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
So before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you liked this episode, please give us a thumbs up or leave a 5-star review. It helps other English learners find us.
Yes, please. And if you have a topic you want us to talk about, leave it in the comments. We read them all.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Some days you feel like an extrovert and want to talk a lot. Other days you feel like an introvert and just want to listen. Both are okay.
That's beautiful, Mark. Keep practicing your English every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Talk to yourself in the mirror. Describe your personality. You can do it.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye-bye.